Today I'm stopping the bug invasion. I'm going to show you exactly what I do, and we're about to start right now. Hi everyone, Rob, the average lawn guy. Thanks for tuning in. And this is the first day of a good 3-day stretch where there's no rain and it's going to be 55 to 60 degree weather. So with all this rain that's been happening, my bug barrier around my home has slowly gone away. How do I know it's gone away? Well, I've had a few bugs come inside the house lately. These little centipede looking things. They look like cockroaches, but they're not cockroaches. So that tells me my bug barrier is wearing off. But the dilemma I'm having, I can't really apply a bug barrier just yet, only because after this 2-3 day stretch of nice weather, we're going to get 4 or 5 days of rain, and that's surely going to wash away the perimeter bug barrier I have around my home. So if you're in this situation like me, where you have a good couple days of good weather, and you haven't applied your bug barrier in a while, this is the perfect opportunity to just apply a barrier. Don't go crazy with it just yet, just apply a temporary barrier, just enough to get you by until the weather permits, where you can apply a really good long-lasting bug barrier. So alternatively, what I'm going to do is apply a hose end bug sprayer, and what's that going to do is it's going to reinforce the bug barrier that's there right now, and it's going to keep it there for at least another week or two. That's all I really need, just enough to get by with this rain coming for the next 7 days. So what I'm going to do is apply this bug barrier around my home, knowing that it's temporary, so this way I can stop any more bugs from coming in the home. I'm not concerned about treating the lawn right now, only because the lawn is dormant. We're not really on it that much besides the dog, so that will come in another video. But for now, I'm just focusing on the perimeter, and I'm using a hose end sprayer. No need to go crazy. You can use any hose end sprayers you want. I chose the Bug B Gone only because it has the 2 active ingredients, bifenthrin and zeta-cypermethrin. Those 2 active ingredients will provide me enough of a barrier to get by this rain coming in for the next 7 days or so. Let's get to work. Now, the very first step in the process, before you start spraying, you want to make sure there's no debris in the corners of the property or anywhere where you want to spray for your barrier. Just use a standard blower to get rid of that. Next, you shake up the container. Shake it up for about 10 to 15 seconds. Attach it to the hose, and it's that easy. I love using the hose end sprayers just because it takes less time and it's very easy to apply. This will give me the barrier I need to get me by for another couple of weeks. So just a side note, after I spray this, this is the perfect opportunity if you have good weather and you have a Bermuda lawn, is really to start working to cut that lawn down. You want to cut down a little bit at a time. It is not a scalp, but it is a gradual cut into a scalp. You don't want to wait to the last minute when you have to scalp the lawn and you're going to have 2-3 inches of Bermuda to cut. It's just going to be a lot of grass clippings to deal with. So I have a video coming up on that. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, give it a like. And click these videos right here to get helpful tips on how to control bugs on your property. With that, thanks for watching. Take care.